I hope she likes it. Okay.
This is my pant line.
Okay, whoa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're unfamiliar with this setting, I'm actually in the humble abode of Emma's rectangle.
Oh hey! Hello everyone, how's it going?
And we've been having a bit of a filming day today. You guys will have seen the video that... Wait, are we posting the food video before this one?
Yeah.
So we filmed a video where we swapped diets with each other, and we film kind of annual collabs. We filmed quite a lot in the past, and I thought it would be an interesting idea for this video to get Emma to pick my outfits for 24 hours. So pajamas, a daytime outfit, an evening outfit. I'm gonna have no say in this, and then I have to wear it for the full day, whatever you pick me. I just thought it'd be quite interesting because our styles are definitely, they've got more similar over the years, I think. They used to be really different, but as I've got a bit older, I feel like my style's kind of adapted and changed, and there is quite a few things that we wear that are similar, but there's also quite a lot of differences as well.
Yeah, we both have different kind of elements to our style. Like there's the like baseline kind of, we both like quite simple outfit, which is we have in common. But then there's like, I really like kind of a boho kind of vibe, you like a little bit of like a grungy vibe, I like a bit of a grungy vibe, you like a bit like
my arm is
little
aching.
sprinkling. Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah,
there we go, let's get some...
that lighting is better.
There we go. So yeah, we thought it would be fun for me to
pick my outfit,
dictate what she wears for the day.
Yep. And we did film a video on Emma's channel, which is the makeup looks that we're wearing right now. We did a little chatty kind of get ready with me, where we just discussed a bunch of different topics really. It's a very chilled video, it's quite nice, so if you want to go and watch that, then I will leave her channel linked down below. Make sure you go over there and subscribe.
Thanks guys.
What website should we do? Well, I guess you pick. I was gonna say Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing, Misguided, ASOS.
Should we do Misguided?
Yeah?
I love Misguided.
Okay.
I think that's my favourite affordable online store.
Okay, let's do Misguided.
So let's do a full outfit of Misguided, picked by moi. So if you don't like the outfits, that's fine. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna try and pick things that you like, but maybe try and do things that are a little bit out of your comfort zone as well. Okay. Like to try and change things up a little bit.
Spice things up a bit.
Spice things up a little bit. I mean, I'm currently on the Net-a-Porter website.
No, we're not ordering stuff up there, otherwise I'm not gonna be moving out anytime soon.
Okay, let's go. Hi guys, so I have been browsing the internet for the past half an hour or so, and I've made a couple of outfits, and I've done one that's like, I don't know, a kind of a day to night type scenario as well. So for pajamas, I wanted to get something comfortable and also not crazy hot because the nights are getting warmer these days. So I went for this little number here. She sat right there, so I'm not gonna explain it in too much detail, but it looks really soft, it looks cozy, it looks easy. I say easy, I don't understand how you get that on.
What is it?
Oh, okay, I see. But I just thought this would be really nice and like lightweight and comfortable and kick about in during the day, you know what I mean? For the daytime look, I went for these, something a little bit distressed, a little bit edgy, but also comfortable, and I always feel like the rips keep you a little bit cooler in the warmer months. Moving on, baby. I've gone for two different options for the top. This one is slightly like more daytime appropriate, I would say, but still like a little bit cute, a little bit fun and girly. And then if she wants to go for something with a little bit more edge, she could always crack on this, which I absolutely love. I kind of want to buy this for myself. So this I think would look amazing with those jeans, and then whichever, that's a little hint there, young lady, and then whichever she goes for, I got this to go on top for like the kind of afternoon if it gets a little bit cooler. It's really lightweight and cropped, and I think it would sit nicely to where the jeans are. but like add a little bit of texture because of the cord, and also just like lighten it up a little bit. I just really loved this. I love the little buttons on it. I thought that was super cute for the evening, but this could also be worn in the day, so she can kind of mix it up. I went for something a little bit different for Soph, I think. Oh, if you'll focus. Like, it's different, but it's also not different. Like, I think you'll like it, but I just don't think it's something you think I would pick. Okay. If you know what I mean. I really like the colour. I like the shape of it. And I just think it will look super nice on Soph. So I went for that. I went for these because I thought that this would look really nice with both the day look and also the night look. And it will make like both of them a little bit more dressy, but I also think that both of them could go with like white trainers. So I know Soph has got white trainers, so I won't bother getting her some, but that's what I'd pair the outfits with. But I would also pair this if she wants to make it a little bit more, you know what I mean, like a I just picked up a couple of ones that I thought were quite nice. So we've got this one here, the little double, and I really like the colour of this here, so I thought this would go with look number 1. And then I got this as well, which I thought would look quite cute with the second outfit, the second option. So yeah, a little bit of layering there, and again multitasking here. I thought that this would go on top of that as well. I feel happy with my choices, and I hope that Soph likes them. So that's all from me today, folks. I'm gonna leave you now with Soph to try all of this stuff on, and I hope she likes it.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too. Like, I went for some actual things that I haven't gone crazy. Like, these are really basic outfits, but things that I actually think you would like and want to wear.
I trust you. I trust you.
Anyway, yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
I have had this bag of misguided stuff sitting in my lounge for the past like 3 weeks. I haven't opened it. She ordered the stuff, but then I put in my PayPal details. All I know is that it cost around £150. So I'm gonna dive into this and see what I think of the stuff. Oh, and it's already split open. Oh, okay. Right, so I'm just gonna pull things out as I see them. We have a pair of jeans, which are the Riot Light Vintage Distress Mum jeans in light blue. These look like a bit of me. I love a bit of denim, although these are in a size 4, and actually no, looking at them, these are so cool. I don't have any mum jeans that are like this. These are like severely distressed. I don't have any jeans that are this ripped, but I think they look so freaking cool. And I'm kind of glad she got them in a size 4, because looking at them, they look quite big. I do find that misguided stuff comes up quite big, and I'm usually a 6. But yeah, this is what they look like. They're a really nice light wash. I can't wait to try those on. I'm gonna have to watch her little video clip after this to see what she said about the stuff and why she picked them. And then obviously I'll try everything on. Okay, we have a lace halter neck bodysuit. My guess is that this is for the evening. This is supposed to be a size 6, but why are the boob bits down so low? Like, my neck is here. This is not gonna cover my boobs. I'm sure I can work something out. I do love a bodysuit, but I'm not sure this is gonna fit. It looks a bit big. Ooh. Okay, this is a floral milkmaid dress. Oh wow. Oh my god, I actually really like this. I'm not too sure about the colours. It's a navy dress, which I love navy, but I'm not too sure about. It's got like orange and reddish sort of flowers on it, which I'm not 100% sure about, but then it's just a kind of shift dress. I like the style of it, but I'm not too sure about the colours. I don't know if this is going to suit me, but I have really been into more dresses recently, which is really weird, and I actually gave Emma no guidance whatsoever. So it's interesting that she picked this for me, because I'm not a massive dresses person, but I have been wearing them more recently. Oh my gosh, okay, what is this? We have a cord crop shirt. I don't know whether you're supposed to wear this as an actual shirt or whether I could wear it as like a jacket, kind of like an over shirt thing. Again, I'll have to watch her video to see what she intended this for. I don't have anything that's cord, but I know that Emma has a really cool pair of cord trousers, but I've never owned anything that's this sort of material. I'm not sure about the colour. It might wash me out a little bit, although now I'm a bit tanned, it kind of might work. Sleeveless high neck Hevron bodysuit. Wait a sec. I have something really similar to this. Wait, how does it work? Oh, I see. Okay, it buttons up at the back around your neck, and it's a high neck bodysuit that's kind of see-through. I do have a bodysuit that's this exact sort of material, but it's just a strappy version. I don't have the high neck one. I haven't worn anything high neck in a while, but I can see that this would look, I can kind of picture in my head that this would look quite cute with the jeans, so we'll give it a go. Bed slogan cap sleeve romper. Okay, what size is this? Size 6. Ooh. Oh my god, that's actually so cute. It's kind of like a coffee colour, and it's an all-in-one sort of onesie bedtime thing. This is actually really cute, and then it says bed on the top. I don't know how many times I've used the word cute in this, but again, this is a size 6 and it actually looks quite big, like it would be quite big for me, but I'll try it on and see. It does have a, I was gonna say halter neck, what's this called? Drawstring. I like this. There is some accessories, so interesting. Summer green gem multi necklace. Wait, let me get this out of the packet. Right, there's this choker which is gold and it's got a green gem on it. I wouldn't normally wear something that's this chunky. I do like my necklaces though. I mean, I can kind of see it working. I'm not too sure on this big chunky gem. And then this one is a precious stone and coin row necklace. Okay, it's quite long. I would never normally wear a long necklace, but again, I will wear it because that's what she's picked for me to wear. And then the final thing in here is a pair of shoes. Mid-heel Jill sandal. Not something I would usually order for myself. They look like they're not too high of a heel though, which is good because I am not very good at walking in heels. Yeah, I think she said for the daytime outfit that I could wear them with white trainers, but this is what the heels look like. Oh, they have a square toe. I'm not too sure about the square toe. I'm not gonna lie. I would not normally order these for myself, but maybe once I've tried them on with the outfit, I will like them a little bit better. We will see what I'm thinking. And that is everything. So let's go try on my daytime outfit, I guess. Right, so outfit number 1, please excuse the background. I'm in my brother's room and you can see my nice array of products behind me. I actually love this. These jeans are so cool. I'm glad she got them in a size 4 because they actually fit perfectly. The only thing that I'm not too keen on about these jeans is you can legit see like the bodysuit here. Like this is my pant line of the bodysuit. So they're a little bit revealing. I really like them. I think they look really cool. Maybe I would like, I don't know, maybe I could do something about sewing that down like this or just ironing it so it's a bit flatter because at the moment this bit of material is like curving up. I would never normally pick this kind of colour or design, but I really like this shirt as like a jacket. It is quite oversized. I think she got it in a 6, but it's so cute. And then I've got the bodysuit on underneath, but I think I'm going to try on the other option because as suspected, I'm wearing a nude bra, but this comes down so low and I've tied it as physically tight as I possibly can at the neck. I think this does look quite cute together. I just think the gem is a little bit big. Okay, I really like this now I've got it on. In the lighting in my bedroom, you can kind of see my nude bra underneath it, but in real life it really doesn't look that bad. It kind of just looks like I've got nothing on underneath, but I actually like this more than I thought it would. It fits really nicely, so I've cut the labels off. I'm going to keep this. I'm not too keen on the necklaces, I won't lie, but I'm going to keep them on because that's what Emma's told me to wear. I'm going to try and straighten this bit of jean and see if I can like fold it in a bit more. And then I'm off to town to return some stuff to Primark and to get some last minute bits for holiday, and I'm going to go like this. Okay, so I'm not too sure how well these go with it, but I've just put on my Adidas Falcons. I will also link these down below. I think they're called Adidas Falcons, and then yeah, they kind of match the colour of this jacket. They've got a little bit of that sort of colour in it, so that's why I went for them. I'm just trying some stuff on in Primark. This is the outfit so far. I've got a few bits here to try on. So far though, I'm loving these jeans. They're so comfy and so like breezy because of the holes. So I've just been into town and I went to Primark, as you guys saw. Got a few bits for my holiday, but I just thought I would give a final kind of overview of this outfit because the time is now like 4:30. And when I get back, I think I'm going to change into the evening outfit. I actually really like this outfit that she's picked. The jeans were really comfy because they were really breezy. just because they've got loads of rips in them. They were great. I really like the bodysuit. It's not something that I would have picked for myself. Same with this kind of jacket shirt thing as well. I wouldn't have necessarily picked this for myself, but I actually really like it. The only thing that isn't my favourite about this outfit is the necklace, just because I'm not the biggest fan of the colour green, and it's a little bit more chunky than what I would normally wear, but overall as an outfit, I really like it. I'd probably give this like an 8.5 out of 10. Okay, so it's now 4:59, so it's basically 5 o'clock. Just tried on the evening outfit, which is this dress. I do actually really like the dress, however, I think I would prefer it if it was a little bit shorter. It looks a bit better with the heels on, but I don't know, I feel like it's just a little bit too long. I think I'd prefer it if maybe I belted it and kind of like took it up a little bit, or had it taken up, just because I am only 5'2" and it almost kind of reaches my knees, which is fine if that's what you're going for, but on me I feel like it makes my legs look shorter. And then the shoes, okay, please excuse my non-painted toenails. I think they actually look really nice with the outfit, but they are too big. As you can probably see, they're way too big, so I'm gonna have to send these back. But they do actually look really cute with this. They kind of like tie up your leg. And then this is it with the kind of jacket over the top. I think this also looks quite nice with it. It's a little bit big, and I think it looks a little bit bigger over the top of a dress. I don't know how to explain it. So I've just put this belt on with it, and then kind of pulled it up a bit over the top, so that bit kind of overhangs, which I think looks a bit better. I think I prefer it. I definitely prefer it being a bit shorter. And then I actually think these necklaces look quite nice with it. I like the gold coin one better. Well, it's just one necklace. It's like a double layered thing. And then this one has got a pearl on it. I do actually quite like them. What do you guys think of this outfit? Let me know down below. I've just got to my boyfriend's house. I'm still wearing the dress and the jacket. I'm gonna get his reaction, and we're not actually doing anything tonight. We're basically just having a chilled night in. If we'd have gone to dinner or something, it probably would have been more exciting. But I thought I would still wear the outfit anyway. It's a really nice evening. I've still got the necklaces on. I did add my normal necklaces that I normally wear, because obviously I'm going to take this bigger one off tonight, and I didn't want to forget these because I want to wear these tomorrow, and they're a little bit like fiddly to just put in my bag. I don't want to lose them, so I put them on as well. But I think it looks kind of cool with the layered necklace look. And then obviously I'm going to be trying on the pajamas as well, which I'm very excited for because they look really comfy. So let's go. Well, I want to know what you thought of the outfit that I wore here, the one that Emma picked me for the evening outfit, the dress.
Yeah, I liked it. It was a bit long.
It was a bit long,
but
I used a belt to like pull it up a bit. What would you rate that out of 10?
6.
6?
Yeah.
I'd
sorry, Emma. Sorry.
I'd maybe give that one a 7, just because I definitely preferred that outfit in the morning. Oh yeah, what did you think of the outfit in the morning? Because I sent you a picture of that. That was the one that I sent you. You know, the one with the ripped jeans and the black.
Oh, I'll give that a 9. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I like that one.
Okay. And then this is the final outfit that Emma picked me. It's the pyjama set. Okay, whoa! It has this, well, it starts out looking like this, which is really long. But then you kind of like pull it up a bit, do the drawstring, tie this in a bow.
Get those camera angles.
And I really like it. It's really comfy. It's a really soft material. For now, I'd give this like a 9.
9. Solid 9.
What would you give it?
Yeah, I'll give it a 9 as well.
Nice.
Yeah, Emma.
Good job, Emma.
Was it actually say on the front?
Bid.
Good night.
Bye.